Hey there, stackers. We're going to open up this Bitcoin round I got from APMEX. Well, I share with you why I stack silver. So let's get started without further ado, because obviously your time is quite valuable. So I'm going to open up this. I've got a couple of them, and we're going to open up one of them and open it up and see how it looks on the inside. And I've got with you 5 reasons why I stack silver. So I'll use one hand to hold around. Oh, here's the back of it. Look at that. Nice, cool design there. But as we get started, the number one reason why I love to stack silver is it's fun. It is just fun to see all the different designs, the different concepts, the different communities that are out there. Just all of the fun ways to learn about silver, connect with people about silver, and collect silver. So really, really fun. And this is a very nice round. Got from APMEX recently. And anybody into the Bitcoin phenomenon? Pretty interesting, keeps sticking to me. So maybe I might switch it to the white gloves. Let me do that. I'll put that right here. I'll be right back for you. Let's see if I can make it a little bit more prevalent. That B sticking out, but I guess I can't. We'll see. If I hold it like that, it works, right? So this first reason why it's fun. It's just I love being able to learn new things, learn about precious metals, and it's been fun. You know, I started in this precious metals game about 10 years ago or so, and I'd go to the swap meet, and there was this nice Asian guy that would show me all kinds of different pieces he would collect from around the world, and just all kinds of fun stuff. And that was where I was getting some of my first silver that I would acquire, and that was pretty fun. The second reason why I stack silver is for savings, right? This is obviously a great way to have a nice hobby where you're really collecting a really structured savings account. So really awesome way to do that. As you can see from some of these other ones, it's not just a background. Yep, these are real coins, people. I would assume you guys could see that, right? Number 3, this helps me cut back on my spending. So, you know, if I'm going to be spending money and doing things, might as well spend it on a way to save. So really great way for me to build up that nest egg and do it in a way that's fun and also helps me cut back. The next way is it's money. I mean, think about it. Our actual currency that we used to have, 1964 and before, was made of silver, right? This is 90% silver, junk silver, constitutional silver, whatever you'd like to call it, but this is what used to be money, right? And now, you know, we don't necessarily have silver in our currency anymore, but that is a main, really top 5 reason why is that it is real money and recognized as such. And the 5th and final reason why is it's biblical, right? Go look read in the Bible, and you'll see it references a lot about gold and silver and how that's real money according to biblical terms, you know. And now we have this new digital money, Bitcoin. What are you guys' thoughts on that? I'd love to know. Do you guys have any Bitcoin? Do you guys like it? What are your thoughts on it? Do you think it's going any places in this society in the future, or you think we're going to go back to more of a traditional sense of bringing back, say, gold and silver into the conversation? What are your thoughts? I'd love to know. And that's pretty much it. My 5 reasons why I stack silver. Mr. Stacker out.